And welcome back. Well, it was again another warm day across the viewing area. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s across the area. 88 degrees here in Hattiesburg. 62 was this morning's low. So our lows are now getting back where we need to see them, near average. Unfortunately, our highs just kind of keep going up. We were still a little ways off our record, though. 94 degrees set back in 1963. All right, visible satellite outside today. We start off today with some morning fog outside. We've had a little bit of moisture over our area. That fog quickly, though, evaporated and got out of here, and then we just had some cumulus clouds come up from the south, again along that moisture gradient that's kind of sitting over our viewing area. Those clouds will start to go away tonight as we're going to be mainly cleared. Temperatures still a little warmer in the mid to upper 60s, 66 here in Hattiesburg, 67 down in Purvis, excuse me, and 69 down in Wiggins. So for your Thursday, yeah, still another very warm day. Again, that cold front that rolled on through was still a weak front. It was weaker than we initially thought. High pressure sitting over us, still keeping us below what we otherwise would be. And we're all kind of waiting for that next cold front to roll on through. Now, still says very warm. It's all relative at this time. So very warm last week would have been in the mid 90s. This week, very warm is going to be in the mid to upper 80s. So we can take that. 87 degrees for your high here in Hattiesburg tomorrow. Winds at the southeast, 5-10 miles per hour. And we're still going to have a little bit of moisture over us, so could expect some morning fog. So don't be surprised you have to turn on your fog lights as you're driving off to work in the morning. Water vapor imagery still showing us, again, a little moisture. That's been about it. Of course, all eyes are still up in the northwest as we're watching that next. This is a big system that's going to be moving on through, and this is a stout cold front. The latest model data has it coming in Friday night into Saturday morning. Temperature Saturday, they're going to be cold outside for your fall. It's going to start to feel like October as we're going into your weekend. Again, as I mentioned yesterday, this is bringing several feet of snow as well across the central U.S. And if we zoom out here, the high pressure we've been talking about has actually made its way up to the northeast, so that's not impacting us too much anymore. It still is impacting us some. We're on the western side, so that's where we get those southerly winds from. But there is that cold front. You can see that sharp gradient. Some places are just plummeting. Places like Denver go from a high of 70 degrees today to a low, how's 33 or 35 degrees sound tomorrow. And it's going to be a cold one. Temperatures in some locations up in Montana, Wyoming could be below zero. Yeah, it's a little early for that. Thankfully, we're not talking that cool. And again, that cold front will be going on through as we go on into your Friday, Saturday time frame. And your rainfall totals, they've gone up a little bit, not too much. Still talking maybe between a quarter, half, upwards of 3/4 of an inch of rain. So your forecast brought to you by Richard Schwartz and Associates. Here we go into the weekend. You see those temperatures drop 70 degrees for your Saturday, 77 for your Sunday. We get up in the mid 80s for Monday and Tuesday before another cold front rolls on through, and we do it all over again going into the middle part of next week.